Day 1 is in the books. Let's go into day 2 of the BAUER in-house exhibition 2026 vlog day 2. So much to see here at the in-house exhibition 2026. Next up, we're going to the old welding shop here in Schrobenhausen. Come with me. That's so cool. This is so cool here. We got Eurodrill, Spontech, water energy minerals, parts and servers, digital solutions, the innovation lab, and of course our fan shop. That's where I'm going to head next. You know what we have here? Another mini world. And this is the old welding shop. Let's see what's left on our schedule for today. The Bavarian evening with Bavarian outfit preferred. And that's where we're going to head next. That's it from vlog day 2 here at the BAUER in-house exhibitions. That's the last vlog from this year's exhibitions. I hope you had a great fun watching our vlogs. I hope we all are having great fun this evening. I got nothing less to say then. Prost!